Hello, my dear kids. I hope you all are safe in your homes. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed about the plane shapes, that is square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. Then we have understand the simple geometric concepts. After that, we learn about how to measure and how to draw the line segment. In this video lecture, we will talk about solids. Under solids, we will learn about the plane surfaces and curved surfaces. Before starting with the concept, let's discuss the objectives. After learning this chapter, the students will be able to identify and explain 3D shapes. They will be able to recognize different solid shapes in the environment. Students will be encouraged to explore these shapes in their everyday life. Here, they will learn to look a ball as a sphere. So, let's start with solids. So, what are solids? The object that occupies space is called a solid. And solids are three-dimensional. They are not like the plane figures. So, here are some of the solids: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. A cuboid, it is in the form of a brick. It is in the form of cuboid. Ice cube is cube. Conical object, this is cylindrical object, that is gas cylinder. And here is our globe. So these are some of the solids. Here you might be thinking, I have circled this word three-dimensional. Now what is 2D or 3D shape? Let's just learn it. So a 2D shape, they have only length and breadth. It means only two dimensions we are having in a 2D shape. That is length and breadth. Whereas in case of a 3D shape, we have length, breadth and height. It means we have 3 dimensions. Hence they are called as 3D shapes. See, the 2D shapes, they are also flat, and the 3D shapes, they are solids. Some of the 2D shapes are circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and 3D shapes are cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. So this was how you can differentiate the 2D shapes from the 3D shapes. Children, everything around you is three-dimensional. So, here are some of the three-dimensional objects. Now, let's discuss about the 3D shapes. First is cube. Another is cuboid. Then sphere, cylinder and cone. 3D shapes, they are also of two types. The one having the plane surfaces, for example the books, and the other one which have curved surfaces like the ball, balloon and the cat. The 3D shapes which have plane surfaces, they also have faces, edges and vertices. So what is a face? The surface of the solid shape are called the faces. These are the faces of the cube. Now what are the edges? The sides where the two faces they are meeting. They are called as the edges. So these are the highlighted one are the edges. Now what is a vertex? The point where two edges meet. They are the vertex. So these are our vertex and collectively we call them as vertices. Kids, do you know the die that you play with is also a 3D shape? Does it have a straight edge or a curved edge? Yes, a cube have straight edge. It means it has plane surfaces. And see, a die. It have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it shows you that a cube have 6 faces. Now let's see the edges of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it shows that a cube have 12 edges. Now let's see the vertices, that is the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means a cube, it has 8 vertices. Now let's see the properties of a cube. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Here are some of the examples of the cube which you can find around you. The gift box, the Rubik's cube, hope you also like to solve it. The ice cube which you can find in the freezer of your refrigerator, and the dice with which these days you might surely be playing the Ludo and the Snake's Ladder. Now here is another 3D shape, that is a cuboid. Now a cuboid, same like the dice. Difference of a cube and a cuboid: in a cube all the faces are in square shape, whereas in cuboid it has rectangular faces. So same as cube, a cuboid also have 6 faces. Now let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same way, a cuboid also have 12 edges. Let's see the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it also have 8 vertices. Let's see the property. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some of the examples of cuboid are matchbox, which you can simply find in the kitchen, bricks, which is used in construction of the houses, microwave oven, and the almirah, where you are keeping your secret things also, along with your clothes. Let us talk about another 3D shape. Now, this shape, it does not have any flat face at all. It have only the curved face. And the name of this is a sphere. Let's see the property. A sphere, it has one curved face, no edge and no vertex. Some of the examples of a sphere are the sun, smiling sun, the earth where you are living, oranges, and the ball. So these are some of the examples of a sphere. So kids, today we have learned about the cube, cuboid and the sphere. In the next video lecture, we'll talk about cylinder and cone. That's all for today. Now, you need to find out some of the objects which are in the different 3D shapes from your kitchen. Thank you. Have a nice day.